Hey everybody, I'm Jake. This is Fastlane Classic Cars in St. Charles, Missouri, 15 minutes outside of St. Louis to the west. And today we have a super cool 1985 Land Rover D90 Defender. But it's not just any Land Rover Defender from the mid-80s. This one's been pretty heavily resto modded. From the outside, doesn't look super crazy. You can see the blacked out bumpers, the black wheels, the black step on the side, and you can see this custom red metallic paint that sparkles in the sun here. There's a little bit better look at it. But other than that, it looks pretty unassuming from the outside. Super murdered out, awesome stance, nice wheels and tires, but this is very special because it's no longer powered by a Land Rover engine. This now has a LS3 6.2 liter V8, making 430 horsepower. That's backed up by a 4L60E automatic transmission. It's all-time four-wheel drive with 354 and 355 gears. This thing is absolutely awesome. I'm gonna pop the hood real quick. Take a look at this awesome LS. And there it is. I mean, there's plenty of room for it in here. As you can see, you got room behind the engine in case you wanted even more engine, but I think the LS3 is plenty of engine for this car. 430 horse means that this thing is no slouch. Engine bay is super clean. The swap was done really nicely. The paint was done very nicely everywhere. Inside the jams, under the hood, everything. Got a nice aluminum radiator there as well. Power brakes, four-wheel discs, which is important because this thing is not light. And now with all of this horsepower, you're gonna want it to stop. So power four-wheel disc brakes is awesome. Along with the engine swap and the custom paint, this Land Rover also has a custom interior. Brown leather with the diamond stitching. Again, looks absolutely immaculate. This thing is so awesome. I actually love this Land Rover a lot. Air conditioning, custom gauges that we'll see lit up in a minute when I go to start it. You even have this screen here on the center of the dash. I'm assuming you could set up Apple CarPlay or anything like that you'd want. There are your shifters for the diff and your automatic shifter right in front of it, along with your e-brake, all beautifully wrapped in leather to match the interior, which is awesome. Even the back seats, where people can sit around the back, all diamond stitched brown leather interior. The black soft top is in great condition. I'm definitely leaving it on because if you haven't noticed, it's snowy out here today. Absolutely awesome. Momo wheel, also very cool. Doors open and close great. This red metal flake on this custom paint is absolutely gorgeous. Kind of looks black from some angles and at night and in the shadows, but when you see the sun hit it, again, you got the blacked out steel bumpers, black wheels. Here's a Land Rover badge on the back, Defender 90. Very nice. On the outside, the soft top is also in really good condition. Really like this thing. Very square. Here's where you fill up your fuel there on the side. They just kind of put a little cutout there. If you know anything about these Land Rovers, they're just as off-road capable as any Jeep, any FJ. These things can go just about anywhere, and because it's not a Jeep, you don't have to put all of those silly ducks all over your dashboard. You can just keep it clean looking like this, and I like it exactly the way that it is. I'm gonna give it a startup real quick, let you guys hear the LS3, then I might take it for a quick spin around the block. All right, inside the Land Rover here. On these Land Rovers, it's kind of funky. The key goes over here on the left side of the wheel rather than where the ignition would normally be on the right side. So kind of got to get used to that, but these gauges are awesome. Dakota Digital. They look very fitting on this dash though. Starts up nice. This screen will also light up here in the middle, or it should. Yeah, there you go. Android, so maybe you can get Android Auto on it. Nice RPM gauge working there. So you got voltage, fuel, speedo, RPM. Looks like engine temp, and then oil pressure, which we're up at 50 pounds at idle, which is plenty. Then this screen over here, kind of hard to see with the glare, but it's showing. You got your radio up here. You can do weather, video, change the theme. I mean, all kinds of stuff. I don't even know what this is. Google. You got maps. Very nice. Everything basically a modern car would have. with an awesome V8, but in one of the coolest looking off-roader bodies that was ever made, in my opinion. I think these Land Rovers look awesome. Sounds really good. Engine running quiet and smooth from the front too. Very nice. See if I can figure out what button it is for the headlights. That looks like a light button. We'll maybe flip that and do a blinker. Yep, headlights are on. Blinker is blinkering. Let's go check the back. Back is working as well. We'll flip the other blinker on. And they're working up here on the dash. That's cool. And it's showing that your headlights are on. Yep, left blinker is blinkering. We'll go check the back. Even the side marker's blinking. And there you go. All working. Very nice. All right, Chris and I are now inside the Land Rover.
And it's only what? A few degrees?
Yeah, 20-something degrees. But we have the windows up, the top on. He's got it set to heat. So hopefully this thing will warm up.
It will.
But yeah, until then, we're gonna drive this thing around.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's just drive it around.
Beautiful LS3 powered Land Rover.
Isn't that nice?
4L60E, 4-speed.
Oh,
It is nice. 430 horse. But it's okay because we have power 4-wheel disc brakes to help stop this beast, because it's not a light car.
No.
Truck, whatever you want to call it.
It's a truck.
And like I said earlier during the walk around, because it's not a silly Jeep, you don't need all those ducts on the dashboard.
Oh, thank God. I think we're a little bit too much with the ducks.
Yeah. These seats are comfy.
Yeah, it is.
And they're very nice.
So, well, this is kind of a well-built truck with this beautiful color.
Yeah.
The leather is amazing. Is that Kalahari, would you call it?
I think they just called it brown, but yeah. We go khaki, Kalahari. It's a little darker than khaki.
It's just brown.
Oh, wow.
What the hell are you, Hubie? What?
Woo!
This thing is cooking.
Yeah, it actually does cook.
Wow.
Pretty nice.
And look, we look like a Dodge in that car. Or is that a Porsche?
I don't know what that is.
It's like a
I think
Porsche.
it's a Porsche.
Oh,
On the
not
screen
a Porsche,
there.
but we're
yeah,
cool.
you got, your radio and everything you could do on here. I'm not going to turn it on because I don't want to get copyright struck. You got your cigarette lighter right down here below it.
What that's for?
In case you want to take up smoking. But don't smoke, kids. Smoke tires, not cigarettes. This will not smoke its tires.
No.
Because it's all-time 4-wheel drive.
All time, all day, every day.
Every day of the year. I believe it gets too much traction for that.
Sorry, but it gets exciting when you hit that gas pedal.
I know, a lot of torque beneath that right foot of yours.
Torquey McTorkerton.
Torquey McTorkerton. Turn the fan speed a little higher.
Yeah, and it's down.
Very nice. Yeah, you get all these vents down here for your AC, which is cool. Your shifters down there, like I said. You have real cup holders for real cups.
Oh.
The dashboard up here, really nice. Also wrapped in leather. Very cool.
No
and the
droopy.
visors.
They're not droopy.
They're not droopy. Also nicely stitched. Pretty good. And the back seats that I showed you earlier. You got wood on the floor, which is cool. Diamond stitching everywhere. And they have their own seat belts for safety.
You know, it's all about safety.
It's all about safety.
1985. The big one. Ah, straps.
I know.
Safety straps. Safety straps.
For the old top. Change the theme?
Oh, make the theme something different. Oh, we need to go into open networks.
I don't know how.
Well, oh boy. There's all kinds of stuff happening there.
I'm doing something. Oh, it's got the speedo on it.
Get out of the city.
We're going 45 miles an hour. No, we're slowing down, but we were
That's pretty
on
crazy.
the outer road there.
It's got weather.
Oh, here's the radio.
Oh.
There. We can hit home. We got Bluetooth. We got navigation. What? We got Google Maps.
Ah, the maps, the Googs.
This is incredible.
You don't expect to find this in a 1985.
An equalizer. Look at all those equalizer buttons. Yeah, in a 1985 Land Rover, you wouldn't expect all this awesomeness.
No.
But we have it.
We have everything, and it's all new with a Chevy and a Chevy V8 in it.
We also have the nice Dakota digital gauges over there.
They are actually very nice.
Yeah.
It's also digital and analog. It's both best of both worlds.
Oh, I can feel the hotness coming from the floor.
Oh, thank goodness. I'm feeling it now.
Very
Finally.
nice.
I'm loving every minute of it.
Bosch wipers, so you know those are good.
Oh, Bosch. They're
Bosch
small,
makes
though,
just
aren't
about everything.
They do.
Here we are at the bean test.
Oh, here we go. Now I can go and run at that bump full speed. I don't care.
Yeah, this thing's an off-roader.
It's a Discovery, for God's sakes. Our Defender, isn't it a Defender?
It is a Defender.
Yeah! Whoa! This thing is angry.
It's all torque.
Oh my goodness.
Hot shifting action.
Hot, smooth shifting
Oh,
action.
and if I go back to home, we're doing 61.
No, we're not.
Yeah.
35.
Sorry, we're doing 35. We may have been doing highway speeds there briefly, and it rode pretty well.
It rode
It's not
great.
super bouncy. It goes in a straight line, it seems like. The brakes seem like they work fantastic.
If there's a summer, we take the top off, it'd be way cooler.
You know, I thought being like a big off-roader with these big tires, you would feel every bump. It's really actually not that bad.
No, not at all.
Pretty comfortable.
You notice I missed that snow or the water.
Yeah.
I'm trying to keep it clean, folks. Keep it clean.
Whoever built this did a really good job.
They did an excellent job.
The swap is very complete looking. Looks like it's supposed to be in that engine bay.
Most certainly does. And everything kind of hooks up nicely. This
I
is
know.
one of those builds that you really like because it's done well.
Yeah, I know it is.
I love it.
Are you ready to do a couple flybys?
Yeah, I'll take your microphone or your microphone. Even my short little self can get in and out no problem. How about that speckle? You can kind of see it. Now, I was told by the owner, who's good people, told me this is a Supra color, which is, I guess, a BMW color because it's newer. And I like it. Oh, he just jumped right over. Look at him. He's nimble like a cat. Go get him. There you go. Put it in gear now. There he goes. Why don't you just go over the snow? Well, forget it. Have to clean it. And then what? Oh my God. So this harkens me back to the 80s where they put a Lamborghini V12 in what looks like a Hummer. It was a great crossover. Went 190 in the sand. That was a big deal back then. Anyway, this has got the old Chevy LS3. Would you look at it? All right, here he comes. There's the new one going by, but here's the old one with some new pads. Hit it, Jakey. Go ahead. Find a Land Rover that sounds that good. Go on. Go on. I dare you. I triple dog dare you. Yep, very cool. Very cool. Very good. Nice.
Hello.
I love the LEDs.
First of all, this heat is working overtime right now.
Good.
It's doing amazing, and this thing kind of hauls booty.
Oh, it most certainly does.
Yeah, that LS3 with 430 horse is plenty for this. Oh, look at that. And a nice horn. You gotta love that. Yeah, I love
I
the
wonder why
gauge.
there's a bugle there.
Yeah, there's a horn there. That's also the blinker.
Ah.
But yeah, the horn. The gauges are awesome. I like this here in the middle. Makes it feel a little more modern. I mean, the interior looks professionally done and brand new.
I believe it's professionally
I
done.
really like the
And
diamond
brand new.
stitching and the brown with the reddish paint. I
Yes.
know it looks black in the shadows and from most angles, but
Oh,
when
I'm
the sun,
showing him the sparkle.
yeah, when the sun hits it, it's sparkly
Sparkle,
red.
baby.
This thing's awesome.
It is.
You ready to take it back? Let's go.